Mastering English Idioms. Unpacking. Beat someone's drum. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Beat someone's drum. This idiom is a colorful expression with interesting applications in daily English conversation. Stick around as we unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own communications. The phrase, beat someone's drum, is an idiom that, at its core, means to talk about someone or something with great enthusiasm. It's about promoting, praising, or supporting a person, idea, or product loudly and proudly, often to persuade others to share your admiration or support. Examples in context. Promoting a product. If someone believes that a particular brand of coffee is the best, they might beat that brand's drum by recommending it enthusiastically to friends and family. Supporting a person. If a parent is always talking about their child's achievements and talents, they are beating their child's drum. The origins of beat someone's drum can be traced back to historical practices where drummers were used to gather attention or signal an important message. In battles, drummers played to march or to rally troops, which is a literal way of drawing attention. Transferred to a figurative context, when someone beats a drum for a person or cause, they are trying to draw attention to it, much like drummers did in historical contexts. Using beat someone's drum in your everyday English is a fantastic way to add color and expressiveness to your speech. Here are a few tips. Be genuine. Only beat someone's drum if you truly believe in their qualities or the value of something. Authenticity is key. Know your audience. Ensure the context is appropriate for using idioms, especially in formal settings. Practice makes perfect. Try using the idiom in different contexts to get comfortable with its usage. Practical sentences. I don't mean to just beat his drum, but his contribution to this project has been unparalleled. She's always beating the drum for local, organic produce. Understanding and using idioms like beat someone's drum can enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and uses of this fascinating phrase. Remember, language learning is a journey, so embrace these little nuggets of linguistic flair along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language content. Happy learning, and until next time, keep beating the drum for your English language journey.